Hi everyone, it's Artist from Main Carpentry. Just an update on the job. So we've started fitting, large is dry now. We started fitting units in here. You can see there will be dishwasher, corner unit, another unit basin, and another unit. Oh sorry, that's a dishwasher, and then a corner unit, and that will be and then oven here. So like a larder unit. So here we've started building the unit instead of that like a larder, double larder, instead of where the fridge used to be. If you remember, I went through with you once. It's gonna have drawers on the bottom, 2 doors and a spice rack and probably a couple of shelves. And then here we're gonna have a fridge freezer with a blank up and out, because obviously that's not a lot there by the time we framed it and all that, so the headroom is not massive on that, so hence why we are going to blank it, make a fake door. So here we got to infill with a unit, which we're going to do. We need to let electricians to sort out feed for the fridge. Here, as you remember, there used to be a double doors, so we cut that out. We've put drawer runners on, and they're gonna have drawers there. So, and here, if you remember, there's a unit in the corner with like a flyover thing. So our task here is to create boxing to hide these pipes. We will tackle that slightly later, because that's not that important at the moment, but we will be tackling that. And then yeah, I hope you're enjoying it, and we'll catch up with you in the next video.